Welcome to the Ownership Review, where we do a bunch of maintenance to see what this car is like to live with on a daily basis.
Here are the high points of the 2018 Audi Q3. The spark plugs are located beneath the engine cover. You will need to pry off the cover before you can reach the plugs, but no tools are needed to do so, allowing you quick and open access to the spark plugs. Both the engine and interior fuse boxes are quick to find with covers that remove with ease. The latter even comes provided with a small plastic fuse puller for your convenience. The spare tire and jack kit are both packaged beneath the lining in the trunk. They are quick to remove and easy to set up in the event you need to service a flat. Not everything is perfect. Here are the pain points. Some of the headlights will require the entire bulb housing to be removed for access to their bulbs. This will require some tools you may not have readily available, making for an overall tedious procedure. To access many items underneath the vehicle, such as the oil drain plug, the transmission plug, and the lower radiator hose, you will first have to remove a large panel. This will require you to work upside down and use many different tools, and the panel is bulky and cumbersome to remove. The battery has rather obstructed access in the back of the driver's side of the engine bay. Not only will you need to remove a cover for access to the battery terminals, but you will also have to remove a portion of the air filter hose and a surrounding cover to reach the battery bracket. Overall, the 2018 Audi Q3 is a rather difficult vehicle to maintain, and prospective owners should be prepared for quite a few lengthy and complicated maintenance procedures.